that's what we're doing right now, and then we're gonna go home, do some fun stuff, and then tomorrow I'm gonna be hanging out with the girls and we're gonna be doing some fun stuff in downtown Ventura. So I thought it would be a perfect time to bring you guys along with us. And yeah, say hi, stay tuned. Okay guys, here is the wetsuit rack made by Cali Rack. They make super sick wetsuit racks and surfboard racks, so definitely check them out if you are in need of any. So I'm just gonna leave that here for now, and yeah, really digging it. Also, I just painted this little abstract coconut painting because we needed some art on our wall. Also, if any of you like the whole beachy boho type of look, I'm doing a video soon on that and how we decorated the house, so stay tuned for that. Okay, that was a fun little yoga sesh, and now I'm gonna make a green smoothie. It's super simple. You just need frozen bananas, mango. I normally use frozen pineapple, but I'm out, so I'm using some peaches, spinach, and coconut water. This honestly makes it so bomb. Most of my spinach went bad, so no worries. I just added some extra green powder to get some extra greens in. So super simple, and yeah. My gosh, you guys, look at this beautiful, thick, creamy green smoothie. Okay, it looks so good. I'm gonna pour these up. Okay, I poured mine in the normal cup because I'm gonna drink it right now, but Daryl's taking a little nap, so I put his in those cups that keep it nice and cold. Okay, you guys, this is seriously so good and so creamy. I like my smoothies super thick, so I hardly put any liquid and all frozen fruit. I just think it tastes so much better that way. But yeah, give this recipe a go even if you don't like green smoothies. It's seriously so good. It tastes like a sweet normal shake, honestly. Alright guys, we are about to head out. Just packing up the boards. So we got this board strap on Amazon and it works so well. Strap the boards right on and you're good to go. Also, you guys, literally these Aloha bags are a lifesaver. I always pack our wetsuits in them, and then when we change back out of our wetsuits and they're dripping wet, just throw them back in here. It's super waterproof, doesn't make a mess, and yeah, I would definitely recommend getting one. It's seriously worth the investment. Hey guys, we are back from a surf. Sorry I didn't film anything, but it was just too crowded and I didn't really want to bring my GoPro in. But it was really fun. Super chill little waves, and it felt good to just get in the water. It was really refreshing, huh?
Yeah, it felt good. Literally.
We're about to go home, get some food. I am starving. Are you?
So hungry.
Yeah, we're really hungry. And then he's got to get ready to go to work tonight. So he works in Malibu, I work in Ventura, and that's why we moved to camp, right in the middle. Well, it's like super close to Ventura, what, 25, 30 minutes from Malibu, so. I love Camarillo. It's in the middle of everything. You got You're in the middle of all the beaches too.
Got Target, Walmart,
All the stores.
everything.
And we about to get some Chipotle. Alright guys, still working on this Chipotle, but it's bomb. Super easy, vegan go-to. Just get this sofrito bowl. And yeah, I'm gonna finish this and then we'll see you guys tomorrow. What is up, you guys? We are here at Ventura, our favorite spot in downtown, hidden the thrift stores. Cute! Oh my gosh! Look at these
I like
cute
this
little
store. It's cute.
posters.
That's what Gabby did with her yoga poses.
Yeah.
In the bathroom. That's so cute.
Everybody, look how stylish my grandma is. She's
Oh my
literally
goodness.
the fashionista queen.
Yes.
Anything cute?
Basket. Very woodsy looking.
Cute.
For a
house.
wedding gift.
Huh?
For a wedding gift, I'm going to put a bunch of the stuff in there and then wrap it.
Oh, cute. Good idea. That's a really good idea, guys. We always find cute baskets at the thrift stores to make really cute gifts in. So, good idea.
Okay, girls, come to order.
Would you guys try chicken and waffles chocolates? Got some cool looking flavors.
S'mores.
Oh, looks good. Look how cute she looks, you guys. So
Say hi to the
stylish.
baby.
Her little baby boob, she's glowing. Alright guys, we are almost done. We are going to go run and get these cute posters we found earlier, and then we are going to go to Rumfish. They have the best happy hour from 3 to 6 on weekdays, and they make the best drinks and the best food.
So yummy.
So good. So we'll see you at the restaurant. So when we're done shopping with all of our favorite stores, we just walk up here and then get our food.
Yeah, I'm excited.
All right, everybody, cheers! Cheers! All right, guys, got some veggie bowls, some fries. How are the tacos, everyone? Good? Good.
Very good.
And Rumfish has the best margaritas.
Yes.
Hi, Isabel. Cheers!
Cheers.
Alright guys, I just got home and I'm gonna show you all the cute stuff I got.
What'd you get?
I also just hung up this poster and it looks so cute. Do you like it, babe? Alright guys, first off I got this adorable pinkish looking floral skirt. Then I got this super cute indie boho looking skirt. This is my favorite find. I really needed a 4th of July top and I found this one for $4. Then I got this really cute bohemian blouse, which I really like. And this super cute beach cover up. This was also my favorite. This was only $6. Super cool find. I also got this adorable bag. And I got these Vans that I have to wash, and they look like almost brand new, and these were $6, so that was a super sick find. And also Isabel gave me these shoes because I've been wanting some brown wedges. I only have black ones, and these are just so adorable. I love them. Also, my grandma got me this adorable scarf. She actually bought this at Spain, and she said it would match the cute beach cover up I got, so she gave it to me, and it's so adorable for like a sarong or for a hair scarf. So thank you, Grandma. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content, and thank you so much again. Hope you guys had a great weekend and have a good rest of your day.